And what if someone inside your home is sick with coronavirus? What can you do to prevent the illness from spreading to everyone in your family? Well, the CDC says people who are mildly ill can recover at home, but how do you keep your loved ones safe while you recover? Well, we talked to a doctor who gave us some suggestions.
By isolating people, like you say, reducing the chances of sharing things that are in common, giving someone their own bathroom, having them eat a meal by themselves as opposed to in a communal meal with the family, all of that can go a long way.
Now, he also suggests family members boost their immune system by eating healthier foods and drinking more water. The CDC recommends coronavirus patients stay away from others as much as possible and that you should stay in a specific sick room in the house or apartment and use a separate bathroom if at all possible. Now, clean and disinfect surfaces in the sick room every day and don't share household items like plates, cups, silverware, bedding, or towels. And be sure to limit contact with pets and animals as well as following all of the other recommendations like washing your hands and covering your coughs and sneezes with your arm.